In this video, we will learn how we can add a table in WordPress post or page. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress account. I am already logged in and currently on the dashboard. Currently we are using default theme 2025. Here, you need to click on posts on the left sidebar. Then you need to click on add post option. As you can see, on next page, you need to enter a post title. We will give it table. Then click below. Here you will see the plus icon. You need to click on that. Next, you need to search for table and insert it. Next, you need to choose the number of columns and number of rows for your table. Then click create table. The table will be created. Now you need to click on this icon located at top right. Then here you can add a header section and footer section as well for your table. I will just use the header section. Here we can add header labels such as serial number, name, and address. You can customize it by clicking on this icon. Then you can change the table appearance to strips or use the default one. You can also change the text color and also you can change the background color. You can also change the typography size such as small, medium, large, and so on. There are a couple of more options you can see here, such as increasing the border size. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel.